Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Google Forms questions. While Google Forms doesn't have a built-in table feature, there's a clever workaround using grid options that gives you the same functionality. This is perfect for surveys where you want respondents to rate multiple items using the same scale. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. You'll need to sign in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Google Forms dashboard with all your existing forms. Now click on Blank Form to create a new form from scratch. This will open up a fresh canvas where you can start building your table-like question. You'll notice a default question appears, but we need to change its type to create our table structure. Look for the drop-down menu beside Untitled Question. Click on it to reveal all the question types available. From this list, select either Multiple Choice Grid or Checkbox Grid. Since Google Forms doesn't have a traditional table feature, these grid options serve as the perfect alternative, allowing you to create rows and columns just like a table. Navigate to the Untitled Question field and type in your main question. For example, you could type, "How satisfied are you with your overall experience?" This will be the header that appears above your table. Now let's build the rows, which represent what you're asking about. Navigate to the Rows section and click on Row 1. Type Overall Satisfaction as your first row item. This creates the first entry in your table. Click Add Row and type Product Quality for your second row. Click Add Row again and type Ease of Use for the third row. Then click Add Row once more and type Customer Support. These rows now form the left side of your table, listing everything you want feedback on. Next, navigate to the Columns section. This is where you'll set up your response options that apply to all rows. Click on Column 1 and type your first choice, for example, Very Satisfied. This option will be available for every row you created. Click Add Column and type Satisfied for your second option. Click Add Column again and type Neutral. Then click Add Column one more time and type Dissatisfied. These columns now create your rating scale that respondents can use for each row item. In order to test how your table looks and functions, click the Preview button in the upper right toolbar. This opens your form in a new window, showing you exactly what respondents will see. You'll notice your question now appears as a proper table with rows and columns, making it easy for people to provide structured feedback. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.